3 easy secrets to manipulate reality. What's going on, guys? My name is Justin. Welcome to the channel. I'm so happy that you're here. In this video, I'm going to break it down. What is reality? How to change it, and then how to ultimately get whatever you want in this world by using these 3 easy steps. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the number one thing you have to remember is reality is literally whatever you make it to be. Think about you when you were younger. You know, maybe when you were in your 20s, how was your outlook? How was your life? How did you see reality? Think about it when you were a kid. So when you understand that, you can see that it's constantly changing and fluid depending on your actions, your outlook, how you choose to live your life. All these little things add up to create reality. And so the first thing you want to do is ask yourself, are you happy? And that's a really loose term when we really think about it, right? Because everybody thinks they're happy. And it's really hard to find what really is happy, right? And so if you have wants, if you have desires, if you have a thought that life should be better than that, then you've made that first step. Congrats. So when we talk about happiness, often we think about, let me give you an example here. So the hustle culture, they so often think that the grind, the constant work, the constant trying to achieve these small victories sets them ahead of everyone else. But when you really look at their lives, when you really look at what they're doing with their time, they're not spending it doing anything outside of working, outside of trying to manifest these small victories. And that is just the quickest way to become the richest man in the graveyard. Because you got to remember, your time is valuable. And if you choose to not use your time wisely, then all you're doing is wasting it. So instead, what you need to remember is time is a harmony. Time is a balance. Life is a balance. Life is harmony. And so understanding that there is more to it than just making money, just chasing money, because when you chase, you'll never catch. So instead, what you need to do is just know that life is meant to be greater than work. So that brings us on to number 2. And this is a fun one. This is a fun project, I assure you. Is do what you want. Everybody has a passion. Everyone has something that they really like. But what we find in our passions is so often created from what our existence is, what our careers are, what our people that we choose to surround ourselves with are. We become so involved in things that aren't really what we are. So find what you really love is a deeper statement than just saying that. You need to really take that step to find out what will make you happy. Everybody, no matter how the reality is, has a small seed in their mind that makes them hope for something. Whether it's traveling to a distant country, whether it's to be done working in your 40s, 30s, whatever. Find that seed. Find that seed and then plant it, grow it. Make it flourish. Grow it into a giant tree and live in the shade. And so our number 3 thing is live that reality. So whatever you want in this world, you can get. It's really simple as that. I know it sounds a lot of people tell you that that's not how it works, but trust me, it really is. The only thing though is a lot of us start to doubt these things. A lot of us start to plant these little seeds of doubt in our hopes of achieving something. If you were to tell your best friend right now, I'm going to be a multimillionaire, is that best friend going to say, awesome, man? Or are they going to say, how? And those hows, depending on the tonality of it, can plant that little seed of doubt. Or even, they may even just say, that's ludicrous because, how? How can you? You don't have this, and this. And those doubts will shift your reality. It'll bring you back to where you are now, because fear is easy to live in. It's way easier to live in fear, doubt, and negativity than it is in a dream state, right? In a hope and a dream life. And so the thing you always must remember is your reality is shaped from your environment, from the people you surround yourself with, from the conditioning that you get from growing up, and from the people that you look to as mentors. I know when I got into real estate, my boss was a big mentor of mine. But his end goal was to retire and boost the brokerage's numbers up so high, so that way he can make tons of money, off the profits of us. And I used to think of him as a visionary, and I used to think of him as somebody that was just an incredible man. But in the end, he had to focus on his goal. And so with me being a very good realtor, not to toot my own horn, but very busy now. But to have that kind of mentoring, I thought that that this was the only career for me. And there's tons of opportunity out there. As you can see, here I am doing this, hopefully. But real estate was never as huge of a passion for me as it was for him. But at the time, I thought it was. And so that is just an example of how reality shifts and how reality changes. Because life is an amazing trip. And you can have anything you want in this life. But you must remember that you got to protect yourself from these outside influences. So I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and that notification bell, because I'm dedicating this year to making all of our years the best year ever. So anyway, see you later. Peace.